Energy sources. Let us first define what is energy. Energy is a word defined from a Greek word energia, which means that it is a capacity to do work. There are various forms of energy: kinetic energy, potential energy, chemical energy, internal energy, and mechanical energy. Again, energy sources are broadly classified into capital energy sources and celestial energy sources. Capital energy sources are those energy sources that are existing in the Earth's crust. For example, fossil fuels from which we get petrol, diesel, natural gas, etc. Celestial energy, the energy which is existing in the outer space, that is solar energy and the tidal energy. Now let us compare conventional and non-conventional energy sources. Conventional energy sources are also called as non-renewable energy sources, whereas non-conventional energy sources are also called as renewable energy sources. Why it is called as conventional and non-conventional is conventional energy sources are the ones which are used regularly. Conventionally, they are used for everyday activities, whereas non-conventional energy resources are scarcely used, and nowadays it is picking up its own importance. Now let us differentiate between renewable energy sources and non-renewable energy sources. Renewable energy sources are the sources of energy that can be renewed, whereas non-renewable sources of energy are the sources which cannot be renewed. Renewable sources of energy are inexhaustible energy sources, whereas non-renewable energy sources are exhaustible sources of energy. Renewable sources of energy are freely available and environmental friendly. For example, solar energy, wind energy, etc. Whereas non-renewable energy sources are not freely available and are hazardous to environment. What is this hazardous is that, again, this fossil fuel, say for example, if you take fossil fuels, if we want to convert these fossil fuels into petrol, diesel or gas, we need various processes, and these processes involve pollution, as well as by usage of these fossil fuels, environment will be hazarded or it can be damaged by the emissions that are caused by the usage of these non-renewable energy sources. Renewable energy sources, their energy concentration varies from region to region, whereas non-renewable energy sources, it is constant in all regions. Renewable energy sources are high in initial cost, but the maintenance cost is minimum, whereas non-renewable energy sources, both initial and maintenance costs are high. For examples for renewable sources of energy are wind, solar energy, tidal energy, etc. Examples of non-renewable sources of energy are fossil fuels. Now, petroleum-based solid fuels, there are petroleum-based fuels are of three different types. One is solid fuel, that is coal, etc. Next is coal, paraffin wax, etc. Next is liquid fuels, example petrol, diesel, kerosene, etc. Next is gaseous fuel, for example it is natural gas, CNG, LPG, etc. Now calorific value is of a fuel is defined as the amount of heat that is obtained by the complete combustion of unit mass of a fuel. It may be 1 kg, 1 liter, whatever it may be. Whatever is the amount of heat that we get by the complete combustion of unit mass of a fuel is called as calorific value. There are two things, one is higher calorific value and lower calorific value. Higher calorific value is the calorific value which will involve both the amount of heat that is generated by the combustion of the fuel, as well as when the combustion products are are condensed back to the atmospheric conditions, whatever is the amount of heat that it liberates, both together will form the higher calorific value, or it is also called as the higher heating value. Lower calorific value is one wherein only the energy that is obtained by the combustion of the fuel is taken, not the products of combustion are considered.